Hello friends, this is Swapnil and welcome to Learn SAP ABAP. So in this session we are going to learn about how to create subscreen or dynamic subscreen and display it on a main screen based on a selected radio button. So subscreen means displaying a screen within another screen. To achieve this functionality, we need to create a one main screen and define a subscreen area for a subscreen, and then we will create a one more screen, that is subscreen, and call a subscreen between a PBO and PAI module of main screen. Okay, so stay tuned till the end and keep watching this video. Okay, so let's go to the ABAP editor. But wait, if you are the first time on my channel, then subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get notification about my next videos. Okay, so we'll create a program. Screen. Okay. Okay, so what we are going to do is we will create one selection screen. In that selection screen, we are going to pass the employee ID, and this employee ID detail we will display on our dynamic screen. Okay, so define a selection screen with no ribbon selection screen of no B1. Okay, here what we will do, we will take one parameter, CMP ID type character. Okay, activate. Okay. Okay, so now as you can see, we have created one selection screen parameter. Okay, this is the employee ID. We are going to pass employee here, and we are going to fetch the data from the table, as we have this the employee ID data as a table. From this table we are going to fetch the data like employee ID, first name, last name, country, city, main or Instagram ID. Okay, on our dynamic screen. Okay, using three different dynamic screen. Okay, so let's go to the debugger. Okay, start of selection. Start of selection. We are going to fetch the select single star from GMP data into data address lsemp data. Okay, this is nothing but the structure where mpid underscore id equal to is pmpid. Okay, pmpid pmpid. Okay, if size is shut is not initial, we are clearing this line data. Okay, let me enter. Sorry, inline declaration to add the red data. Okay, so now what we have done, we have just created one selection screen, and we are fetching data from the employee table. Okay, so single record. Okay, so now we will create our we will create the screen. Okay, let's see. Just right click, create, and screen. Give the screen number. We'll give. Okay, okay, name as a main screen. Main screen. Go to the flow logic. Yes, activate. Click on the layout. Okay. So now here we want the detail. What we will do? Just add one box. Okay. So this box will take field as a text field. The text field we will type here P P ID given a employee ID. Okay. We want and we want to pass the text. We will need the input field, so we will take from the program. Get from program EMP data, right? EMP data. Take this and keep it here. Okay. But employee data. Okay. And now we have to add three radio button over here. Okay. So first of all, we just need to define a radio button in our program. Just check and activate this screen as of now. Okay. And select. Okay. Now go back to the program. To the program. Define the three radio button. Button one, radio button two, and radio button three. Okay. Six. Activate. Okay. Now again go to your screen. Screen 101. Go to the layout. Okay. So now here we need to add the and get field from program. You can see here R will take all the three fields. Sorry, get field from program. Take 1, 2, and 3. Click OK. Put here 6. This okay. So now these all are the checkbox field. Now we need to convert it into a radio button. Left radio button. Okay. We'll separate it once. Convert radio button, left radio button. Convert this so radio button. Convert radio button, left radio button. Okay. Set the position of radio button as per your button one. Give the name as a personal details. Personal details. Okay. Then name as a address details and give the name for a third radio button as a mm, communication details. Okay, so now we have added three radio button. Okay, just select all the radio button and group into ones. Okay, so that we can select one radio button at a time. Okay, so now we have a three radio button. So based on the radio button selection, we will display the if we select the personal detail, then we are going to display as the first name, last name. And if we select address detail, then in this screen we will display country and city, and if we select the communication detail, then we will display email id and Instagram id. Okay, so let's start. So now we need to add here subscreen area. So okay, subscreen, and copy the subscreen area here. Okay, in this subscreen area we will call the screen dynamically. Okay, so give the name as the sub. Okay, just check and activate. Okay, check and activate. No error. Okay, so now we have designed the main screen. Okay, so now cancel. Now activate this also. Activate. Okay, now design the PBO and PBO module. Okay, so now what we will do, we will first define one include program here. Let's take, in order to include set as screen form. Okay, in order to write our other code, and save yes. Okay, so here we will now module output and module. Okay, set pf status. We will define first pf status design on. Okay, so now we will define pf status. So one yes, yes, screen. Okay, add some button to application. Sorry, not application. Function key as a Mac exit cancel. Okay, just double click and just check the function code for this each and every button. Exit here for exit. Here is a cancel. Okay, let's activate. Okay, and now we have designed pf status as well. And then go to the screen, and I will go to the same screen. Here also we will declare square marks input and module. So here what we will write, okay, case sy you com due to screen 0. Okay, so now we have defined a case here. Okay, now okay, so we'll create a subscreen here in order to put this subscreen on subscreen area. Okay, just declare three different subscreen on 02. Okay, we will gain the personal detail subscreen. Select as a subscreen. Fusion. Okay, now check and activate. Go to the layout. Yes, and here we will add a three field from this uh, dictionary. Gate name from this three field, employee ID, first name and last name. Okay, because this is for add three table also, label also. I'll my ID, then click next. So first name, third field as a uh, last name. Okay, we added three fields here. Okay, activate, check and activate. Also, do the same thing for other screen also. Just right click, create 103. Okay, here also address subscreen, fill it as a subscreen. Shop without application, checks, activate, layout. Okay, field from table. I will select country and city from this table. Here, can take the two label, country, city, city. Okay, next, activate. Okay, now design the third subscreen like 0104. Okay, question subscreen. Okay, the subscreen question. Okay, to layout. Mm, and here we will add remaining two fields. Okay, we will add email and Instagram ID. Okay, now again take to label mail, email, Instagram ID. Okay, we'll check and activate, then close. Activate the subscreen. Okay, so now what we have done, we have just declared the main screen. First design a main screen, and after that we have designed a three subscreen, okay, for the personal detail, address subscreen and communication subscreen. Okay, go to our program. So now go to the main screen, flow logic. Okay, so here just okay, so now call subscreen 0101 including sy rip id, and here we need to give the uh, screen which we want to display. Okay, so but we are going to display the screen dynamically, So first we need to define a variable for it. Let's go to the main program and define one variable for dynamic screen data screen type sy dn. Okay, this is the variable. Go to the main screen again, give this name here. Okay, give it, and here, sorry, call subscreen, you have to give the name as a subscreen area. Okay, from the call subscreen you have to give the name as a subscreen area, and include system web id. You have to give the name of the screen which we are going to call dynamically. Okay, and here also we'll give the name of the subscreen area. You know this subscreen area, right? Now if you don't know, I will show you once again the layout. And this is the subscreen area, and you can see here the name of the subscreen area is sub. Okay, so we are giving this so over there. Okay, okay, okay. Now, okay, sorry, here also we need to give name as a for subscreen. Okay, give it. Okay, now go to the PBO module, and here we need to set the screen. Okay, uh, screen, let's take screen in the sense, let's suppose if v1 is initial and r2 is initial and r3 is initial. See, at the start we will have start we have all the three radio button as a empty, means not selected. Okay, understand. So we need to make one radio button as a selected. So then we'll say r1 equal to x. Okay, so why we are doing this? In order to avoid the dump, because if no any radio button is selected on the screen, we will get the dump. Okay, so to avoid this situation, we are just setting the first radio button as a selected. Okay, then here we have a logic. If r1 is equal to r1 is not initial, then can gv screen equal to 0102 for screen, else if r2 is not initial, gv screen equal to 0103, and else if r3 is not initial, gv screen equal to 0104. Okay, choose the printer 6 activate. Okay, okay, so now we have activated. Let's go to the main program and we will try to run this. We'll try to run this. Okay, activate the main program. Okay, so now we have done. Okay, now go to the main program and we'll execute it. We'll give the employee ID as a one and we can execute. Oh, sorry. Okay, and after that, here we need to the call screen 101. Okay, end of selection. Okay, execute. Now we will execute this program and we will execute. See our output. Okay, as you can see, employee ID, personal detail. Okay, so this two are not coming. So again, we go to the program. We need to give the user command. Okay, for this button because we need to give the use. Go to the layout. Okay, so for this already button we need to give to the function code. Okay, we are not going to write any code for this function code, but why we need to give the function code here? Because whenever the function click on any of the radio button, so PAI module will generate and also it will generate the PBO module. Okay, because when we have written the code in the PBO module. Okay, so for that purpose we will giving the function code. Okay, okay. Yes, I click and activate. Answer. Okay, now execute. Will work. Execute. Okay, now you can see first click on address. You can see address and communication. As you can see here, communication detail as well. Okay, so for person detail, address detail, and the other we are calling the dynamic screen. Okay, based on the selected radio button. So, thanks.
If you like this video, then press the like button below. If you have any doubt, then write me in the comment section below. If you want to learn more about ABAP, then visit to my website www.learnsapabap.com. The link is also given in the description. And please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get notification about my next upcoming videos. Okay, so friends, bye, signing out.